Introducing the ECOVACS Deebot T8 AIVI Robot Vacuum Cleaner, designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. This innovative product combines the functionalities of vacuuming and mopping, allowing you to clean your floors in one go. With its integrated suction, sweeping, and mopping system, it can cover over 2,000 square feet of mopping with its large 240 ml water tank. The ECOVACS Deebot T8 AIVI is equipped with intelligent AI object recognition technology, which identifies and recognizes obstacles such as shoes and cables. This means you don't have to clean before cleaning. With faster and more accurate object identification, it avoids collisions and ensures uninterrupted cleaning. Enjoy on-demand HD live video with this robot vacuum cleaner. Through the app, you can drive the Deebot to any area of your home, allowing you to check on pets or look for open doors and windows. It even has a built-in speaker that allows you to communicate through the device, providing you with a new level of monitoring and reassurance. The precision laser mapping and navigation system of the Deebot T8 AIVI ensures efficient cleaning. It combines advanced laser technology and DTOF sensors to map your home with 2x coverage and 4x precision. It can even save maps of your multi-floor home 30% faster, saving you time and effort. Take advantage of powerful custom cleaning options with the ECOVACS app. You can divide or merge areas, label rooms, set cleaning sequences, and choose different cleaning times, vacuum power, and water flow levels for different areas. You can also set no-go zones and no-mop zones to ensure certain areas are not cleaned or mopped. With an industry-leading 5,200 mAh battery, the Deebot T8 AIVI can work for up to 3 hours and clean large areas of up to 3,200 square feet in standard suction mode. It also comes with a range of convenient features such as auto-docking and voice control compatibility with smartphones, iPhones, Amazon Echo, Alexa, Android phones, and Google Home. The ECOVACS Deebot T8 AIVI is the most feature-rich robot vacuum mop hybrid we've tested, and it has received rave reviews from customers. Android Central declares it comes out ahead in a head-to-head comparison, while Parenting Pod sees it as a nearly complete substitution for traditional vacuuming and mopping. With its sleek black design and compact dimensions of 16.73 L by 16.54, W by 7.09 H, the ECOVACS Deebot T8 AIVI is the perfect addition to any home. It comes with a docking station and a cartridge filter type. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the ECOVACS Deebot T8 AIVI Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Get yours today and enjoy a cleaner and more comfortable home.